Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Julie Genjac, Vice President and Managing Director of Applied Insights at Hartford Funds, to discuss a mindset shift from advisor to leader. Julie, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you so much. I'm delighted to be here with you today, Jill.
You got it. And why is the mindset shift from advisor to leader necessary as teams of financial professionals grow?
Well, Jill, it's really important because, teams are absolutely facing several challenges right now. First and foremost, there are challenges in attracting and retaining talent on their teams. In addition, there are a lot of different technology platforms available to them. And third, there are enhanced client expectations that continue to raise. And if you think about it, traditionally, the team leader was someone on the team with a sales background. But as we look forward, I really believe that teams should consider having someone who is dedicated to truly leading the team and can focus on running the business, establishing goals, setting objectives, overseeing operations, and navigating frustrations, and most importantly, celebrating successes for the team going forward.
What kinds of opportunities can a team benefit from when the leader mindset is adopted?
Well, I really think that, at the end of the day, teams have the opportunity to take the humans on their team that they hire. I always say we hire employees, but humans walk through the door, and they need nurturing and goal setting every single day. And so those humans that we have on our team, we can help them set goals and have development. We can also help them, have documented plans and make sure that they have consistent processes in their employee development. Also, we can take their roles and responsibilities and establish them, document them, and make sure that there are no gaps and overlaps in what we're doing. When we have gaps and overlaps in roles, that's when issues in our client experience potentially can occur. And at the end of the day, none of these activities are part-time. And so having one person that is leading the team that isn't necessarily the rainmaker is so crucial to making sure that the client experience is solidified.
Julie, what are some tips you are offering to advisors to help them shift their mindset?
Absolutely. So first and foremost, consider viewing this as a COO role. And secondarily, maybe consider looking outside of the traditional financial services networks. This isn't necessarily someone that has experience, but having high emotional intelligence, someone that is comfortable managing people, setting goals, helping people mature in their roles. And then finally, thinking about reflecting on what activities are most valued amongst the team, seeking feedback from the team, and at the end of the day, communicating with the team. That's my best guidance.
And finally, and I think this is probably the most important question, what kinds of questions should leaders be asking themselves to determine if their team has the right leadership?
Yes, my favorite part. So the first question I would ask, how would you grade your team's leadership process? Second, is there an opportunity to proactively enhance it this year, even if it's just a quarter of a turn? And third, is your leadership structure built on past tradition? Meaning, is someone who is in that role performing that dual role of leading and rainmaking? Or have you truly selected someone that's able to focus on the role? And if you believe that you have any room to enhance what you're currently doing or would like to assess your current situation, feel free to visit the Hartford Funds Teams Resource Center at hartfordfunds.com/team for resources on roles, communication, and all things teams.
All right, Julie, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you so much for having me.